7th Standard English Term 1 Unit 1. Now we are going to see the revision part of the poem. So we will see the question answers given here. So read these lines and answer the questions given below. The first one is the computer swallowed grandma. Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed grandma. She pressed Ctrl and Enter and disappeared from view. How did grandma disappear from view? Grandma disappeared from the view on the computer screen when she pressed the Ctrl and Enter keys. It devoured her completely. What does it refers to? It refers to the computer. So here we are talking about the computer only. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. What happened to grandma? Grandma was affected by computer virus. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Where did the author search the grandma? So the author searched grandma in the recycle bin, files and in the internet. So here, work in past, read the last two stanzas of the poem and answer the following questions. So already in the book, questions will be there. Poem will be there. So you have to read that and you can able to answer these question answers. Who did the author ask for grandma? Author asked Jeeves. Did the author get a positive reply? No, the author did not get a positive reply. What is the author's plea? The author pleaded to send grandma back to him by an email if anyone sees her in their inbox. Next, poem comprehension. So some poem is given here and you have to write the comprehension for that, I think so. No, this is additional questions. Now we'll go for the paragraph questions. First one, why was Jeeves called? Was his visit successful? Give reason. Jeeves was called to find out why grandma was swallowed and consumed by the computer, or if she had been caught by a virus or eaten by a worm. The computer repairers Jeeves refined the search for grandma everywhere in the computer, and in the end, he gave only a negative reply. He said that not only grandma but nothing was found online. This means that the computer's internet connection has been snapped for reasons unknown. The second one, when and how did grandma disappear? Explain the different efforts put by the poet to get back her grandma. The poet's grandma was an old tech-savvy modern lady who lived far away from the poet. They loved each other and often had online video chatting. On one such day, grandma mistakenly pressed Ctrl and Enter and completely disappeared from the view of the poet on the other end. The poet took many measures to get back grandma. She searched for grandma in the recycle bin and all the files. She also used the internet to find her. Then, the poet called the computer mechanic Jeeves to identify the cause and bringing up grandma. But even that was a failure. Finally, the poet desperately requests all the readers of her poem to send grandma back to her if they find her in the inbox by email after copying, scanning and pasting. Now, next we are going to see the supplementary lesson, very short answers with questions with answers. So, the first one is, what were the three sicknesses Tom had planned to suffer from? Tom planned to suffer from stomachache, sore tooth and toothache. How did Tom try to wake up Sid? Tom made successive loud groans, panted with exertions and snored. When this did not wake up Sid, he called Sid and shook him. Why did Aunt Polly cry and laughed together? Aunt Polly cried with relief that nothing was wrong with Tom. She laughed thinking of the prank played by Tom once again. Now we are going for the question answer in paragraph. Paragraph questions with answer. How did Aunt Polly extract Tom's tooth? Aunt Polly fastened one end of the silk thread to Tom's tooth with a loop and tied the other to the bedpost. Then she caught hold of the chunk of fire and suddenly pushed it almost into the Tom's face. The tooth now was hanging loosely by the bedpost. Did Sid believe that Tom was sick? Justified. Yes, Sid believed that Tom was very sick. Anxiously, Sid called Tom and shook him. He felt bad for not helping Tom, who was suffering for hours. He assured Tom that he would not die and rushed to call Aunt Polly to save Tom from dying. Okay, children, now we have completed the revision 2 also for the midterm examination. Thank you.